Hi everybody, Bernard here and welcome to randomvideos.com. And today's video, we're going to import and convert PDF into DWG using Autocad 2017. Check it out! Alright, let's get started. So, to import and convert PDF into a drawing, we're gonna need a drive that contains some sort of line works, text, imagery, something that you want to bring in, use, and modify it in AutoCAD. So, I got this PDF file that has been stored on my PC as an example for this video. Now, to convert PDF, you're gonna go to Insert tab and click on PDF Import, then click Space or Enter on your keyboard. This is gonna ask you to your PDF file. Now, you're gonna browse to where you have your PDF saved. Here is the example drawing. And now it's gonna bring out the menu for converting your PDF into a drive. You can choose what you'd like imported, whether you want the text included, any imagery. None of these drawings, so I'm gonna left that unchecked. Then vector geometry would be the line work. You don't want that. You probably want fields brought in as solid as well. And then you can use layers if it was created in AutoCAD. There's a chance that layer data wouldn't have been included in the PDF file, so try that. If it wasn't, and you'll bring it as new layer, you can always get to create object layer as well, or insert it into the current layer you're using. Other import options include importing the PDF as a single block, joining the line and arc segments, converting solid fields to hatches, applying line weight properties, inferring types from collinear dashes. I'm also going to convert solid fields to hatches, so once these settings are set, you can hit OK. You can choose an insertion points, or you can choose its own and rate the scale as 1 and remain rotation to 0. I will just try from here, and we'll see what it does. So now, we can see it's finished. Bring it in.